Hello, Yusuf. I was in the new factory. This one is more better than I thought before. You see this. The factory is very large, and you see this rewinding machine. This is a semi-automatic rewinding machine, and you can see that we totally almost finished. That it's not like your machine is not do not have the water system. And you see this part, and the factory boss just told me this part. This is better than the stainless steel, and this is I will type you. I don't know how to say that. It's waterproof, and it's better than the stainless steel, but the price is more high. But I will take charge of that. And you see, we can continue that. And this part, you can see this automatic one. This is all the semi one haven't finished, and this part is for the tissue. You can, it's very easy, the tissue one, and this is the full automatic one. The full automatic one, full load, and when it's finished, and auto to put that down. And this part is heat shrink machine. You see that. And this is a tissue folding machine. And you can see this part, you will see it's very easy. You just put one into the fold, you see. And this is a complete one. And you can see that. Yeah. This is a small machine. Yeah, we have stock here. And this part is used for spare parts, the molding of the draining or something. You can see that worker as you see this. So this is the best factory for the rewinding machine, and we can try later. Okay, 可以看一下试一下。Okay, let's start this machine for just take a look. They said even it tend to the fastest speed, the whole machine will not shake. See that? Will not shake that. And it have a double knife. You see that? Double knife. And you can adjust the cutting line from the, as your requirement, from the 15 cm to 30 cm. You can adjust this part. Okay.